Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and this video about the 2019 best WhatsApp features. And this is not the overall best feature. This is the best features that are updated in the year of 2019. So let's get started guys. I am currently using the WhatsApp beta version. However, the features I am going to tell now is already updated in the stable version. So all the features I'm going to explain now is already updated for all of you guys. So first of all, update the WhatsApp application via Play Store and then follow the features that are listed here. In the year 2019, WhatsApp has implemented few features compared to 2018. In that few features, some of the features are most related to the user privacy. And here is the most highlighted three features. The first feature is WhatsApp Fingerprint Lock. WhatsApp has continuously worked for this feature before the beta version for up to 6 months. And after the beta release of the WhatsApp Fingerprint Lock, it takes up to 3 months to release the stable version. So WhatsApp has continuously worked in this feature from the starting of the 2019. So this feature is nothing but a lock feature for the WhatsApp application. So with the help of this feature, hereafter you don't need any third-party application to lock your WhatsApp application. Therefore, hereafter you can lock the WhatsApp by default with the help of WhatsApp application itself. To manage this feature, first of all go to the settings and there go to account and there go to privacy option, and there at the last here is the option fingerprint lock, and by default it has been disabled. You have to enable that. Go to fingerprint lock and here is the option unlock with fingerprint. Just turn on the toggle option, and after that you need to verify your fingerprint. In case if you are having a in-display fingerprint, you have to verify via in-display, and if you have a rear mounted fingerprint scanning, means you have to place your finger on the fingerprint sensor to need to confirm your fingerprint. And after confirming that, it shows the three options immediately after 1 minute and after 30 minutes, and I choose the by default it choose the immediately option, and also the immediately option is the most recommended, and I also recommended this option since this option will instantly lock your WhatsApp application even if you are minimize the application also. Similarly, if you can choose after 1 minute and after 30 minutes, the WhatsApp has been locked after 1 minute or after 30 minutes based on the option you have selected. And after that, here is another option, show content in notification. You can enable or disable. By enabling, then the message you received via WhatsApp is not shown in the notification bar and it can be hidden. So if you disable the feature, the preview message like all the messages you received via WhatsApp will be shown in the notification bar itself. Similarly, this WhatsApp fingerprint lock feature has been works even in the apps in the recent app list. It also each time you are opening the WhatsApp application, it asks for the fingerprint lock. So I am currently in the recent app list, but even though it asks for the fingerprint lock for each time you are opening the application, and this is the best feature for the user's privacy in the year of 2019. Now moving on to the next feature. The next feature is the group invitation feature. This feature is the most important feature also related to the user privacy control. Using these new privacy features, adding in a new WhatsApp group has been controlled for the participants, and earlier you have been added in any groups by any person without your permission and knowledge uncertainly. Hereafter you can control who can add you in a new group by using the group invitation feature. Therefore, hereafter no one can add you in a new group without your knowledge. To manage this option, go to settings and there go to account and there go to privacy option, and here you will see the option, new option called groups, and go to that option, and here you can see who can add me in a group, and there I have currently selected nobody, but the recent update has been changed from nobody to my contacts except, because the first update has been received with nobody. After the next update, the nobody option has been changed to my contacts except. Since I have not changed the nobody option to my contacts except from the update received, because after I changing from nobody option to my contacts option, the nobody option has been permanently disabled, but still not changed that option. But for users like you will be shown within three options: everyone, my contacts, and my contacts except. If you choose everyone means every user or any user can easily add you in any group. And if you choose my contacts means for the person in your contact list can able to add you in any groups. My contacts except means you can choose the person who can add you in a group, like your favorable person or your most trusted person. You can select based on your wish, and that person's only able to join you in a new group. So by using these features, admins can't able to add you in a group. But instead of that, WhatsApp has given the new features that is called the WhatsApp group invitation feature. So once the admin can't able to add you in a group, then the admin can send you a group invitation message via a personal chat, and you'll receive a group invitation via a personal chat from the admin. Similarly, in that group invitation, you can see the WhatsApp group name and the description and what about the group is, and the members are available in that group so far, and all the details you can see in the group invitation. And after confirming that, you can proceed for joining the group, or else you can decline that. Also, the group invitation sent by the admin has been expired within a certain period, and after that you have to wait for the another group invitation to join into the WhatsApp group, or else you have to request the admin to send the another group invitation to join into the group. Now the next feature is WhatsApp ban, and this is also related to user privacy, and it's not about only user privacy, it's also in WhatsApp privacy terms and policy. So this feature is not having any option, and this feature has been updated by WhatsApp through a server. WhatsApp implemented this feature to reduce the usage of WhatsApp modded application like GB WhatsApp, WhatsApp Plus and other modded apps that are similar to WhatsApp application. As you all know that most of the users are preferring for the WhatsApp modded version like GB WhatsApp and WhatsApp Plus. However, these third-party applications are giving more features than the WhatsApp official version, but from the WhatsApp side, this has been considered as a violation of their privacy and terms policy. So in order to reduce the WhatsApp third-party application, WhatsApp has implemented this WhatsApp ban feature. So by using this feature, when a user using a WhatsApp third-party application like WhatsApp Plus or GB WhatsApp, they has been temporarily banned from using WhatsApp for a certain period. After the temporarily banned period, user can able to use the WhatsApp application again. And similarly, after the ban period, user has to use the official WhatsApp version to continue using the WhatsApp service. If the user again using the modded version of WhatsApp means the user has been permanently banned from the WhatsApp, and after that user can't able to use that WhatsApp account. So if you guys using any WhatsApp modded version, please uninstall and install the WhatsApp official version. Finally, these are all the three features has been most wanted features and most used for users in terms of privacy in the year of 2019. And apart from these features, there are few more improvements has been done in WhatsApp, like the WhatsApp status view content. And before that, you will able to view the WhatsApp view content by going to the WhatsApp status. Now after posting a status, you will view the WhatsApp total number of view count right from the WhatsApp status main title itself. Then the next one is WhatsApp preview messages in the notification bar. Before that, the images and stickers you are receiving that are not previewed in the notification bar, but now the images and stickers you are receiving through a chat message or a group message will be previewed in the notification bar itself. And the third one is improvement in albums. Earlier, if you received 4 to 5 pictures in a chat message means, and all the picture has been in a list. Now WhatsApp has collaged all the pictures if you received more than 5 pictures in a WhatsApp chat. Then the next feature is WhatsApp share to Facebook story, and using this feature you can share your WhatsApp status to the Facebook story directly from the WhatsApp. For this, you have to post your status in WhatsApp, and after that you will show you your option share to Facebook story. Just click that option, and after that the status you have been posted in the WhatsApp has been transferred to the Facebook story right from the WhatsApp itself. And finally, WhatsApp voice recording has been played continuously. This is nothing but if you received your voice messages continuously in a chat means, once you play the first audio, after the completion of the first audio, the second and third and fourth and all the audios had been consistently playing, but all the audio has been received continuously in the chat list. And finally, that's all about this video, guys. In this video I have explained 2019 best WhatsApp features, and however compared to 2018, WhatsApp has implemented few features this year, and last year WhatsApp has more features in the group section itself, but this year in WhatsApp groups we have just only one feature with the WhatsApp group invitation, and apart from that two more privacy features. After that there is nothing most important feature in WhatsApp application. So that's all about the video. I also given the link in the description for the each feature. Hopefully if you guys like this video, hit the like and share, and if you guys like to watch my upcoming videos, hit the subscribe and tap on the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video, guys.